Hi guys, I don't know what Ryan is doing in his room. Let's check it out what he's doing. He's very quiet. It's something suspicious. Aha, Ryan. What are you doing?
I'm gonna open my fgteev box.
Who give you?
You.
Hmm?
Yeah, so, my Santa gave me on Christmas, but I never opened for a long, long time, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And I'm gonna open it. Look.
Okay.
I opened it. I was waiting for it all the time. Look, guys. Look at this box.
What's that?
It's the fgteev stuff. Whoa, there's so long. There's a plenty of them. Let's open this first, guys. See. Oops, it almost gave my heart. I hope I get dirty. But there's two characters. Guys, look! There's Jelly Guy. Guys, look, it's him. Mr. Blobbyfish. Mr. Blobbyfish.
Over here.
Okay. I'll open this first, you guys.
Put the garbage in.
Yeah. This is gonna be the garbage. You're not gonna throw this away. Okay? So what I got? Jenkins! Squishy Jenkins! I got Jenkins, guys! And this is him. Okay. Oh my gosh! Turkey bacon! And look, it's Fun and Boy's big enemy. This is gonna be so a stuffy. What stuffy is gonna be? What stuffy gonna be? Turkey, guys. Right? This is turkey. Oh, it's a mystery figure. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna get a sneak peek. I'm gonna get a sneak peek. What is it, guys? Oh. It's him! Guys. You can open this, guy. Guys, tell my dad to open this, guys. Guys, there's another one, but bigger. Guys, we don't know what it is. They're gonna be a big guy. Oh, I know who it is, guys. I know who's gonna be, guys. Meg! You see, guys? I got him. He's big enemy, and he doesn't move sand.
You break already?
Oh my god. Oh, it comes out. It sticks together. That's weird. I got Meg, guys. I got Meg. More is a Fluffy. Hi, guys. Come on. How do I open it? Meg is so not rare. It's gonna be baseball Meg. Or just a regular Meg. Never Meg looks like this, guys. Meg is not like this. Meg is different. He moves his hands. My name is Meg. I'm the big Meg. We're gonna open this, guys. This is a small Fluffy, not a big ass turkey bacon. I mean turkey. So how? Oh, I know how to open this. No! I'm not gonna open this, guys. This is true. Actually, gonna be just boy, Funnel boy. I always wanted Funnel boy guy. Funnel boy.
That's it?
You see? And that way, we don't make too long videos, right?
Mm-hmm.
So bye.